Introducing the Currituck soft-sided coolers from Camco. The Currituck soft-sided coolers come in two sizes, 22 quart and 33 quart. They're a lightweight option if you need to keep things cool on the go. They're insulated with closed cell foam, which provides all-day cold without all the bulk. They have zippered enclosures, which keep your stuff from falling out and keep the cold in. The soft-sided coolers have three carrying options: side handle grips, tote straps, and shoulder straps, which are adjustable and removable if you don't want to use them. Each of these carrying options utilize ultra-tough straps and double stitching. The rugged waterproof shells are constructed of polyurethane-coated 840D nylon material and are puncture resistant. Some bonus features on the soft-sided coolers: a mesh pocket in the front, which is great for holding your wallet, your keys, or your cell phone. A convenient bottle opener. In the back, there's an elastic strap, which is great for holding things like towels, flip-flops, or magazines. The Currituck soft-sided coolers from Camco. Get yours today.
Camco.net.